Good morning, dear children. Today we will start with our civics part, chapter number 4. But before that, let us start our day with a beautiful thought. Progress is impossible without change, and those cannot change their minds cannot change anything. So, progress is must and it is defined as forward on onward movement towards a destination. Here, the destination, dream, or goal you have to set in your mind, and therefore you have to change your mind. Understood? So let us start with chapter number 4, that is urban local government bodies. Earlier we have learnt about the ruler. Now we are talking about urban. In urban local government bodies, Nagar Panchayat, municipal council and municipal corporation we are going to learn. Only three things. Nagar Panchayat, Municipal Council and Municipal Corporation, in which Nagar Panchayat is there in small villages which are in the process of becoming towns. Understood? Let us see the picture. These are the villages. If the small villages are in the process of becoming town, they have a Nagar Panchayat. These are villages. These are town. Earlier they were villages. Then they became town. Then small cities. And here are the big cities, which is also known as metropolises. In our country, we have large number of towns and cities, and they are growing rapidly, children. Villages here are growing into towns. Towns are into cities, and cities into metropolises. See, can you see it? Yes. Even the rural areas neighboring the cities are also getting transformed. All basic needs are there nowadays in some of these small villages, in some of the villages. So let us talk about Nagar Panchayat. That is, we are talking about the villages that are in the process of becoming towns have a Nagar Panchayat. Children, we see some areas which are neither fully rural or not fully urban. In such areas, the local government body is the Nagar Panchayat. Understood? After every 5 years, the elections are held, and the elected members choose a president and vice president. Understood about Nagar Panchayat? Let us move on to the municipal council. Municipal council is a local government bodies for small cities. Here we are talking about small cities. Here also the elections are conducted after every 5 years. Understood? And the elected representatives function as corporators. In big cities, we have corporators, mayors, deputy mayors. But in small cities, we have corporators. The president of the municipal council is the chairman. He controls the working of the council and keep a watch on the financial administration of the council. When in the absence of president and vice president, he, the chairman, looks after the work of the council. Here one more concept is there, that is known as Discretionary functions. What is discretionary functions? Means optional functions, additional functions which are not compulsory. Those additional facilities were given to the people are improving the condition of slums, creating public gardens and parks, providing secure shelter for cattle, etc. After that, we have municipal corporation for big cities. Now, the third concept is for big cities. Understood? So, municipal corporation is for big cities, and the first municipal corporation was established in a very big city like Mumbai. Here also the elections to the corporation are held after every 5 years. Then the corporators, then mayor, and then deputy mayor. The mayor is considered to be the first citizen of the city. He presides all the meetings of the corporation. Understood? The important issues regarding the problems of the cities are discussed over here. Here, decisions regarding the development of the cities are taken. To look after the big city, some committees and administration of the corporation is conducted. The work is carried out through different committees. Here in our school also we have different committees. The main purpose behind is to share the workload, to distribute the workload. One alone person cannot handle or look after the whole work. Therefore, committees and administration is there. Where? In municipal corporation. Why? Because of the big cities. Understood? Health committee, transport committee, education committees are there. And administration, if we are talking about, for example, if a corporation takes the decision of putting a ban on the use of plastic bag, then the actual implementation of this policy is done by the commissioner. He also prepares the annual budget of the corporation and remains present for all general body meetings. Understood? So today we have learnt about three things. That is Nagar Panchayat for small villages growing into towns. Municipal council, that is for small cities. In some of the small cities they also have Nagar Palikas. Understood? Nagar Palikas. And we also learnt about municipal corporation. If we are talking about Maharashtra, then in Maharashtra we have 535 cities, 36 districts, 355 talukas, 63,663 villages, and 6 administrative divisions. Understood? So, lot of responsibilities, lot of work is there to look after our state, that is Maharashtra. Understood? In my next video, we will discuss about the pictures given on page number 74 and 75. So, see you children. Bye bye children.